in emails. First, log into WordPress. Then, in another browser tab, log into Klaviyo. This will make it easier to switch between both applications. You'll start in WordPress. To upload the Klaviyo WooCommerce plugin, hover over the Plugins tab and click Add New. Search for Klaviyo within Search Plugins. When you've located the Klaviyo plugin, click Install Now, and then Activate. You'll see a WooCommerce alert that your plugin is activated. Next, you'll configure the plugin. To do this, you'll need your Klaviyo public API key, which is also known as your Klaviyo site ID. Switch into your Klaviyo account, and in the upper right-hand corner, choose Account from the dropdown. Then in the Settings dropdown, choose API Keys. Copy your API key and switch back to WooCommerce. Navigate to Plugins and scroll down to find the Klaviyo plugin. Now click Settings and paste your site ID into the public API key field. Now let's add a checkbox so people can subscribe to your marketing directly from your WooCommerce checkout page. To do this, you'll need the Klaviyo list ID of your subscription list. Let's leave these settings open and head back over to Klaviyo. Head to your Lists and Segments tab. Select the list where you want your subscribers to land and click Settings. Here you'll find the list ID. Let's copy the list ID and head back over to WooCommerce. Now let's type in a label for the opt-in checkbox. This is the text your customers will see next to the opt-in checkbox, so make sure the label is clear so customers understand that they're opting into your marketing. Make sure to check off Enable Klaviyo Sign-up Forms. Now click Save Settings. You've configured your Klaviyo plugin. To enable the WooCommerce integration in Klaviyo, you'll need to generate an API key and secret key in WooCommerce. In WordPress, navigate to WooCommerce and select Settings. On the Advanced tab, choose REST API. Here you'll generate an API key and secret key. To do this, click Add Key. In the description field, type a friendly name for your key like Klaviyo. Next, designate a user. You can leave the default user or choose a different user from the dropdown. Choose Read-Write for permissions. Now you're ready to generate the API key. This is the API key and secret key information that you'll need in the next step. So let's leave this window open. Switch over to Klaviyo and navigate to Integrations. Navigate to the All Integrations tab and choose the WooCommerce integration. Here, enter information about your WooCommerce store. First, enter your store URL. If you don't know it, you can switch back to the WooCommerce tab and copy the URL that your customers will use to shop at your store. Now let's grab the API key and consumer key that you just created. Copy the API key and paste it into the WooCommerce consumer key field. Then copy the secret key and paste it into the WooCommerce consumer secret field. We generally recommend that you not enable the subscribe new customers to a Klaviyo list because this will add all customers who purchase from your site to a subscription list regardless of whether they actually opted in. Remember that you just added an opt-in checkbox to your WooCommerce checkout in the previous step, so we'll leave this option blank. Now click to connect to WooCommerce. Within a few minutes, your WooCommerce data will begin to sync with Klaviyo. And you're finished. You've officially enabled the Klaviyo WooCommerce plugin, enabled the integration, and added a functional marketing opt-in checkbox on your WooCommerce checkout. To get the most out of